Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be doing this look right here since we're all quarantined and definitely not going to any festival this year. That doesn't mean we can't do a festival makeup. So this here is my this year's if I was gonna be at a festival makeup look. So this is what I came up with. Hope you guys like it. If you want to know how I got this look, then sit tight. Don't go anywhere. Let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is put a primer on, and I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer. For my brows, I'm taking my e.l.f. brow pencil, gently fill in the sparse spaces, and then to really complete my brow look, I'm taking the Dip Brow by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm going to take my Laura Mercier tinted moisturizer, and this one is oil free. So now taking my Tati Blendiful, I'm going to just first spread a little bit around with my hands, and then the rest of it I'm going to use the Blendiful to blend it out seamlessly. For my concealer, I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape. We're going to use that to brighten up my eyes. Take some a little bit on my nose and just on the center part of my face, and then using my Blendiful, I'm going to just blend all that out. I'm going to take my Becca loose powder. I'm going to set all that in. So I did add a little bit of chapstick onto my, or lip balm onto my lips because I felt kind of dry. So to bronze up my face, I am going to use the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Bronze It. This one has shimmer on it, so if you're not a big fan of shimmer on your bronzer, you might want to skip out on that and get like a different bronzer. For my blush, I want to make a really nice rosy blush look, and a really nice super pigmented blush is this NYX Sweet Cheeks in the shade Citrine Rose. And for this look, I want the blush to be heavy, so that's what I'm doing. I want to add a little bit of like soft glow to my blush, so just taking the same brush, I'm going to take this shade called Free Glow, or Free Glow, I meant Fire Glow. Take this shade right here called Fire Glow. It's in the Dominique Cosmetics palette, in their highlighter palette. And I'm going to place that right on top of the blush. Alright, so now let's work on our eyes. I'm taking my Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Storm palette. These are the shades right there. The first shade I'm taking is called Lucid Dream, and that's what it looks like on the brush. And the brush I'm using is a DS03 brush. So now I'm using the brush called DS04, and in that same palette I picked up the shade called Astrid Lust, and I'm gonna place that on the outer corners of my eyes. I'm gonna go back in with the NYX blush and add in a little bit more. I really want this blush to stand out. And then taking Golden Hour in the Prisma Glow palette, along with this fan brush, I'm going to just add that like that. And to highlight my brow bone, I'm going to take this brush right here. This is the DS02 brush, and picking up that same palette, but this time called Pink Haze in the Prisma Glow. I'm going to place that right on the high point of my brows. So now taking a different palette, I'm taking the Tati Beauty palette. I'm gonna take this really pretty pink glitter right there, and then just using my fingers, I'm going to just tap that all over my eyes. So I went back into the Celestial Storm palette and picked up Black Matter, and that's what's on this brush right now. I just want to kind of deepen the outer corner a little bit. Alright, so I went ahead and did my lashes or mascara and my eyeliner, And this is what the look looks like so far. Let's continue on. So for this festival look, I want to add a little bit of stars onto my face. But before I do that, I'm going to add a little bit more to my eyes. And I'm taking the same palette, the Dominique Cosmetic Celestial Storm palette. And I'm going to take the shade called Electric Amethyst with the packer brush. And just kind of fill in just like that. Alright, so now using my little CC Beauty palette, it has like a white shade in there. I'm going to use that along with a small brush, which is this brush right here. We are going to create little stars all over our face. Alright, so the stars are completed on my eyes. I feel like I have to kind of bronze up my face a little bit more. I don't know why. So I'm going to take the brush I use and just with whatever's left over, I'm going to add that in just on my forehead and just like that. Okay, so now let me see. The lips, you guys, for the lips, I am going to use a mixture of different lip products. First, I'm going to take the Berries and Cream. This is in the shade called Plum Berry. And we're going to put this on. And then on top of it, I'm going to put on some type of gloss. So let me go ahead and put this on real quick. Alright, so I have that on. And then to add a little bit of gloss, I'm taking the Dominique Cosmetics. This is in the shade called Java. Looks like that. And I'm just going to take a little bit on my fingers. Like so. Alright, you guys, here is the final look. And I think it turned out really nice. I love how I did the stars. And it turned out to be a nice, like, purple, pinky, you know, themed look. And who knew? I mean, I just kind of did it as I went along. And it turned out pretty good. I like it, and I think I did a good job. If you like videos like this, you guys, go ahead and subscribe down below and join the Kwak fam. If you haven't already, click on that bell. That way, when I upload, you're notified. I do upload very often, especially because we are quarantined, and I mean, we're home, so videos galore. What else? And make sure you like this video. That does help so much, you guys. And comment down below any other videos you want me to do, any products you want me to review, all that good stuff. And that is pretty much it, you guys. So I hope you guys are safe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I will talk to you next time. Bye, guys.
It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls. It's been a day, we gonna get wavy. Layer on some diamonds.